Hey everyone, I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to quickly discuss our speedometer gear calculator for Fox body and SN95 Mustangs. Our speedometer gear calculator is very helpful when changing the rear end gear ratio in your Fox body or SN95 Mustang. The easiest and hands down the most popular method for correcting the speedometer is to swap out the driven gear at the end of the speedometer cable or the speed sensor. To figure out which gear you need, visit LMR.com and use our Mustang speedometer gear calculator. You can select either a manual or an automatic transmission, your drive gear teeth, which is 6, 7, or 8, select which gear ratio you're using, and then select your tire size. Click the calculate button and it'll tell you exactly what you need to correct your speedometer. Now, regardless of the gear ratio that you choose, we offer speedometer driven gears in different tooth counts for both manual and automatic transmissions, as well as the internal drive gear for T5 transmissions. These internal drive gears are kind of difficult to swap out since they require the removal of the transmission tail shaft. However, swapping the speedometer driven gear, it's very easy to do. You want to safely support the car via a lift or jack stands. Remove the retaining bolt and slide the cable or sensor out of the transmission. Remove the clip and the old gear. Install the new gear and clip, and then reinstall the cable or sensor back into the transmission. Align the hold down bracket, tighten the retaining bolt, and then you're good to go. As always, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great Mustang content, and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and for all things Fox body and SN95 Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.